Hi guys, I'm Rylan Clark-Neal and welcome to the 4th episode of I Plant Believe It. Now today I'm very excited because we're making chocolate and ginger cookies. Now these are going to be great, but there's a little twist because I'm going to be using FLORA PLANT unsalted, just to show you guys that you can cook, fry and bake just as good as with a dairy butter. Now today I'm going to be making 2 versions of the same recipe. One using FLORA PLANT and the other a regular dairy butter. And we're going to invite someone now to come and try it and see if they can taste the difference. So let's bring on Emma. Emma, welcome.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you for coming today.
That's very well.
You're a food and fitness influencer.
I am.
So you like eating and you like being fit.
Yep. That sums it up.
I mean, you've got the best of both worlds, surely.
Yes. Yep.
Fantastic. And have you got a sweet tooth?
Oh yeah.
Do you like cookies?
Oh yeah.
Well, I think you're in for a treat today, but I am setting you a challenge.
Okay.
How could you palate?
We'll see.
Well, we'll see, because I'm going to be putting it to the test to see if you can find the difference in taste between FLORA PLANT and a regular dairy butter. You up for the challenge?
I'm ready.
Right, well, I'm not going to let you watch me, because then you'll know what I've put in it. So off you go, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, Emma's ready, and so am I, so let's get started. Today, we're going to be making chocolate and ginger cookies. And for this, you're going to need the following ingredients. 110 grams of FLORA PLANT unsalted, 190 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, 200 grams of golden caster sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 3 tablespoons of plain dairy-free yogurt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. So first up, take your FLORA PLANT unsalted and pop it in a bowl. Next up, we're going to chuck in some golden caster sugar. Grab your electric whisk and pop it on the lowest setting because you don't want it going everywhere. Now it might take a little while, but as it looks at the minute, it's a bit breadcrumby, but trust me, stick with it because that's going to go nice and creamy. There we go, it's getting there now. That, to me, looks perfect. Now pop that to one side for a second and grab yourself another bowl. Now for this recipe, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Now grab a wooden spoon and just give that a nice little light mix together, just to mix all them flavours and that flour together. That's perfect. Now before I add this into the creamed FLORA PLANT and golden caster sugar, grab yourself some plain yogurt and add that into that mix. And then just a touch of vanilla extract. Grab your electric whisk and just give it a little run around. But here's a little top tip. If you're putting liquid in there, just give it a little mix first and that'll stop it going all over the ceiling. And that's perfect. And now we're going to take the dry mix that you did just now and pop it in the bowl of the creamed FLORA PLANT, golden caster sugar, yogurt and vanilla extract. Grab yourself a spatula and give it a good fold. Now you want to keep mixing and folding this mix until it becomes a bit gooey, because you want to make those cookies really nice and round. So you can see it's slowly starting to come together, but don't be frightened to get really stuck in. Now before it starts to really come together, I'm going to chuck in some vegan chocolate that we've chopped up nice and fine. You don't have to use vegan chocolate, but we are going to for this one. Right, that looks good to me. You should end up with a big sticky ball of chocolate and ginger loveliness. Pop that to one side and get yourself a bowl of icing sugar and then get out the ice cream scoop. All you need to do is just scoop straight on to the parchment paper on the baking tray. Now I find it easier to lay it out on the tray first so you've already got each individual cookie. Then we're going to pick it up and pop it in the icing sugar. And don't be frightened to give that a good covering. and pop it back on the tray. Now, you might think that's a little bit odd, but what that's going to do is it's going to give the cookies, once they bake and spread, a really nice cracked effect. So make sure you don't put them too close together because these will spread out and go flat in the oven. But if you're a little bit worried, just give it a little press down. Right, now that's all done, take these trays and pop them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let them set. Right, these have been chilling for 30 minutes in the fridge and now it's time to pop them in the oven. Pop them in at 160 fan assisted for about 12 to 15 minutes, but keep an eye on them. These look great. Right, in front of you are two sets of cookies. One of these plates of cookies is made with FLORA Plant and the other a dairy butter. Let's see how good your taste buds really are, shall we?
Okay.
Get stuck in.
They look very similar. Right, I'm gonna go for this one.
They're soft.
Firstly,
You're welcome.
I'm starting to doubt my abilities here.
As long as you enjoy it, I don't care. How's that one taste?
I thought I'd be able to tell. I genuinely can't tell. I might just...
Yeah, go again. Yeah, it's fine. No, it's fine.
Just research.
Yeah, obviously, you know, we've not got nothing else to do, you know.
I think the FLORA Plant is this one.
Why?
I have no idea. I just, yeah, I'm guessing.
Are you just hazarding a guess?
Yeah, genuinely.
Well, it was a good guess, because these are in fact made with FLORA Plant, but you can't taste the difference.
No, you honestly can't.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
So would you switch to FLORA Plant?
Absolutely. Honestly.
It didn't compromise on the taste?
Not at all. Not at all. I might just...
Oh no, you can keep them. Like, oh, you're actually going. Oh. Bye, Emma. No. Oh, she actually went. Well, there you go. Emma couldn't work out which was which, and that is exactly what I wanted to hear. So if you get creative with FLORA Plant, get in touch and let us know some of your creations. I will see you soon. Oh.